how to check the ratings before you buy in AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To check further ratings and reviews, you need to head over to your browser first and open up aliexpress.com. Then find the item that you want to buy, and then once you tap on it, you can see the reviews right there. You can see this item has 4.8 stars and 182 reviews. You need to scroll down, and then you can see the reviews written by people, and you can see what ratings each customer gave to the item. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.